if we have the information of x-intersect and y-intersect, that is the point wherein the line is crossing the x and y axis. So we'll take this as 0, y naught, and this is x naught, 0. If we have this information, how can we figure out the equation of the line? So we'll start off with the statement that let x, y represent the arbitrary points of the line, right? Then, so basically we are looking at this point is to be x, y. Again, it could have been anything. I just wrote that. Now, we'll start off with slope, which is given by change along the y divided by change along the x. So slope, when I take this as the first and this as the second, so how can we write that as? So that would be y naught minus 0 divided by 0 minus x naught. So that would be your slope. We can call it as 1. We'll call that as 1 later. Then m can also be, if I take this as 1 and this as 2, we can write this as y minus y naught divided by x minus 0. And now this is 1 and this is 2. So from 1 and 2, what can we tell? Since both are equal, right? M is equal to m. We can talk about y naught by minus x naught. So this is overall, there's a negative, is equal to y minus y naught divided by x. So simple rearranging and all of that. So we have minus x into y naught by x is equal to y minus y naught. So, oh, I forgot. Y naught by x naught, my bad. Remember, this is just a number. And these are your set of variables. This is valid, but there is a standard way of representing all of this. So I need to transpose this and all of that. So y naught and x naught, so on and so forth. So we have minus x into y naught is equal to y into x naught minus y naught into x naught. A bit of rearranging, and we have y naught x naught. I'm transposing this onto the left hand side, and y into x naught, and this onto the right hand side. So x into y naught. So if I happen to divide all the terms with y naught x naught, y naught x naught, y naught x naught, what happens? So this is basically 1. This is basically y by y naught, and this is x by x naught. And that's your standard form of the equation. So when we have the intercept, so let me do this question for you guys. The equation of the line which makes the intersect minus 2 minus 3 minus 2 on the x and y axis respectively. So that's our x naught, and that's our y naught. Then the equation of the line will be, so y by 2 minus x by 3 is equal to 1. As simple as that. Of course, we can further reduce it and all of that. That I'm not showing, but it's that simple.